A true Maldivian island experience. In this vlog, we're going to talk you through our time spent at Reethi Beach and how they're setting the standard for affordable luxury in the Maldives.
But first, we are about to hop on a boat and head to a sandbank.
We came this morning to book the excursion and with the plan to go this morning, but the guys told us that the sandbank is bigger in the afternoon because of the tide. So we booked it for this afternoon and now we're gonna go. Are you ready? Ready?
We did have the option to get on a small catamaran, but we thought a small speedboat may be more suitable for Mila. Plus, we'll get there quicker and we won't get as wet, he says. Are we going on a boat? We're going on a boat. So this is our boat.
Just look a little low. I think we're gonna get wet. But hey ho!
Thank you.
Okay. We got our own little speedboat. Aren't you lucky? Ready?
We've been told
We gotta jump from here.
and we're going to swim over to there. So that was a joke, by the way. We didn't actually have to jump off and swim to shore.
I didn't think he was being serious.
No, I think what he meant was he was going to get the boat really close, and then because the ocean, the waves are very unpredictable, we had to put everything away, get off the boat, and he'd pass it over to us. That's what he meant.
Very helpful.
There he is.
The only thing is there's obviously not any shade on a sandbank, so we're not going to be here for too long, but it's really cool to just be in the middle of the ocean on a piece of sand. So we've come, we're going to fly the drone, we're going to play a little bit in the sand, and then we're going to head back. The guy is actually waiting for us close by on the boat, so that if anything happens and we need him immediately, he's literally right there.
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never like those. She saw the stone, you know how that go.
It always seems to be the way that the sandbanks seem to like collect the litter. Obviously there's a lot of resorts around here, but it's not really their responsibility. It's obviously ours. We shouldn't be putting rubbish in the ocean and then it just gets washed up on these beautiful sandbanks that turn into garbage banks basically.
The one thing we will say is we've been privileged and lucky enough to be on a few sandbanks over our time in the Maldives from previous times, and without fail, like obviously you're in the middle of the ocean, they are absolutely beautiful, like you're surrounded by endless blues, but without fail there is always washed up rubbish on these sandbanks. And I know like our job along with other creators is to sell the dream, is to make everything look stunning and beautiful, because really it is, but it's so sad to see like the amount of trash and rubbish and litter that gets washed up on these beaches. Anyway, we are going to pick up as much as we can to take it back with us to the island. Hopefully they can dispose of it properly, but for now we're just going to enjoy the sandbank. We've only got about 25 minutes on here left, so we're going to make the most of it.
My cup with the pot, whoa. Eye of life in the spot though. Running at the visa, really talking to a real life Mona Lisa. Jesus pieces hanging off the fleecer. So much going on.
Mila doesn't want to leave. She was a bit when we first arrived and now she's been jumping in the sand dunes, wrapping herself up. Come on Bubsy, we've got to get the boat.
We've got to go because our guy Sadat is waiting for us.
Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times. Live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessed with nature, not a world mind. The room is spinning, but I feel fine.
What a way to start the day. Even more amazing being able to take Mila and experience that with her. But now, if you are looking for an affordable island in the Maldives to come and visit, we're now going to talk you through why Reethi may be your option.
Located in the unspoilt beauty of Baa Atoll, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, Reethi Beach is only 15 minutes away from the world-famous Hanifaru Bay. They are positioning themselves as a rustic Robinson Crusoe barefoot island with a focus on sustainability, promising a true Maldivian island experience. Rather than private villa pools, all guests have access to the communal pool, and the island's own diving centre is an ocean fanatic's dream. From May to November, every day there are opportunities to swim with the majestic manta rays. If relaxation is more your thing, the island's Coconut Spa has regular offers from full body packages to discounts on treatments. And with 5 restaurants varying from overwater a la carte to casual themed buffets, Reethi Beach has all your culinary desires catered for and all budgets covered. Their comfortable and spacious beach villas are the perfect place to unwind, ranging from standard to deluxe. Built from natural materials and set amongst the island's tropical foliage, or opt for one of their 30 semi-detached overwater villas for a slightly higher price yet endless blues for a view. And finally, we're going to give you a tour of the deluxe sunset villa. So as soon as you walk in, you've got a desk on the side for a workspace, which is really handy for us because obviously we've got our laptops with us. And then on this side is just like a chill out sofa area, which also can be turned into a bed. When we first arrived, it was made up as a bed, but Mila's a little bit too small, so they brought us a cot, which is perfect. And then this side of the room is obviously our bed, more seating, and just a little area for like tea, coffee, fridge, which is handy to keep Mila's milk in. And then through here takes you to like an outdoor bathroom, which is really nice. Obviously it's just got a sink, bath, and an outdoor rain shower. And then obviously today we've had a lot of rain, so natural rain shower.
So that is it. That is Reethi Beach.
But one thing we do want to mention is how do you get to Reethi Beach? You have 2 options. You can get the seaplane, obviously that's more costly, or you can get a domestic flight and then a boat. The domestic flight is about 20 minutes and the boat is again about 15-20 minutes. Obviously it takes longer, it's not as pretty, but it is more affordable if you're looking for an affordable stay.
So if you've made it this far, we'd love it if you liked, comment, subscribe to this video. We really appreciate you watching this, and we will see you in a few days.